Everybody, welcome to Case Casting. So today I'm going to be trying to cast these two mini YouTube play buttons. So what I did here, I designed these on Tinkercad, and then I 3D printed them with my 3D printer, and then I made molds of them. So this mold right here, it's made out of kinetic sand because the play button triangle part wouldn't come out in the sand, but for the square one it did come out in the sand. So I'll be trying to cast those two in brass. So molten, we're ready to pour now. Okay, we'll see how those turned out. Okay, it looks like those worked pretty well. Let me just get them cleaned up and I'll show you the result. Guys, after a little bit of cleanup, this one turned out great, and then the other one, I didn't bother cleaning it up too much because the triangle didn't form too well. The coins turned out pretty good, and yeah, this play button looks really nice. So if you have any ideas, you should definitely comment. I'd like to hear them, and thanks for watching.